Hello class. Let us continue our discussion with chapter 3 of title 1, and that is for classification of endorsement. I think we ended up our discussion in this part. No? So classification of endorsement. First classification is as to the method of negotiation. You have special endorsement and endorsement in blank. This is covered by section 34. Let us read. Special endorsement. A special endorsement specifies the person to whom or to whose order the instrument is to be payable, and the endorsement of such endorsee is necessary to further negotiation of the instrument. That is special endorsement. Like let us say, A maker makes an instrument in favor of B payee. B negotiates it to C. Therefore, in the course of negotiation, there is a need for B to endorse it to C. So if it is a special endorsement or a specific endorsement, then B will write to C signed B. That is a special endorsement. Okay, let us continue. What is an endorsement in blank? An endorsement in blank specifies no endorsee and the instrument so endorsed is payable to bearer, and it may be negotiated by mere delivery. In that particular example, let's say B did not specifically endorse the instrument to C, but instead B just signed the instrument and delivered it to C. That is a blank endorsement. And because of that endorsement by B, the endorsement is converted from an order instrument to a bearer instrument. Therefore, a question, how will you convert an order instrument into a bearer instrument? One instance is to endorse it in blank. Therefore, it being a bearer instrument, it could be subsequently endorsed by mere delivery. So that is the difference between special endorsement and an endorsement in blank. Special endorsement, you specifically indicate the name of the endorsee, then you sign. While in blank endorsement, you just sign it and the blank endorsement converts the order instrument into a bearer instrument. Number 2, which is covered by section 36. No? As to the kind of the title transferred, first you have restrictive and second you have non-restrictive. 36. Yung 35 kanina class is for blank endorsement. No, we have discussed that. So 36, when endorsement is restrictive. An endorsement is restrictive which, number 1, prohibits the further negotiation of the instrument. Number 2, constitute the endorsee as an agent of the endorser. And letter C, vest the title in the endorsee in trust for or to the use of some other person. But mere absence of word implying the power to negotiate does not make the endorsement restrictive. So, usually, in order to continue the life of the negotiable instrument, the endorsement should not be restrictive. Because if the instrument is restrictive class, it kills the further negotiation of the instrument. Like let's say in that particular example, where B endorses the instrument to C, if B writes to C only, okay, then that is a restrictive endorsement. It prohibits the further negotiation of the instrument. Or pwede niyang sabihin doon, restrictive endorsement to C in trust for X. Now, to C in trust for X. So in that case, that is also a restrictive endorsement. So a restrictive endorsement restricts the further negotiation of a negotiable instrument. What is the effect of a restrictive endorsement? Ito na yon, 37. Rights of the endorsee. A restrictive endorsement confers upon the endorsee the right to, number 1, to receive payment of the instrument. Number 2, to bring any action thereon that the endorser could bring. And letter C, to transfer his rights as such endorsee where the form of endorsement authorizes him to do so. But all subsequent endorsees acquire only the title of the first endorsee under the restrictive endorsement. So we will park for a while under section 37 class, no? We will continue with the rest, no, qualified endorsement and the rest in the next video. Okay, so today we have discussed the following items, no? Special endorsement, endorsement in blank, restrictive endorsement, and non-restrictive endorsement. Again, special endorsement specifically names the endorsee. Endorsement in blank does not specifically name the name of the endorsee. the endorsement in blank converts the order instrument into a bearer instrument. And we have studied also restrictive and unrestrictive endorsement. Restrictive endorsement kills the further negotiation of the instrument. Have a good day, class.